Hello guys, welcome to Happy Stimmers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music on CapCut. So guys, at first you have to select your videos or photos where you want to add music, and then tap on audio, tap on sound, and guys, then you will see there's a lot of music albums, and you can select any music that you like from these albums. So suppose I am selecting this one. Now tap on the plus icon. Now you can play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.